Hello everyone, my name is Al and this is Metal Mining with CryptoCat. And in this video I've got the dreaded Code43 Error for my Rx470 4GB Sapphire card. It was mining on Hive OS, but I noticed when I rebooted the machine the other day it wouldn't mine. I tried changing the risers to no avail. I then removed the card, and then once I did that, my Sapphire 3GB card for some reason would not mine. So I was thinking perhaps it's something to do with Hive OS. I tried updating the Hive OS, still didn't work. Still couldn't get the 470 to work. Downgraded the drivers, still didn't work. So then I took my RX580 out of another machine, put it into the mining machine with all the Hive OS set up, and that was working fine, no problem. All the other cards were back mining, no issues. So then led me to believe there's obviously an issue with this 470. Well, I plugged it into a Windows machine, and as you can see I've got the dreaded Code43. I've tried DDU to remove all the drivers. I've tried updating the drivers. It keeps telling me the drivers are up to date, so I search automatically, drivers are up to date. Search for Windows Update. Check it today. Said they were up to date. Just take a minute. Yep, up to date. So the other option I think again is to try BIOS modding it. If the BIOS mod doesn't do it, then I'm probably going to have to look at possibly doing a reflow on the board. So this is what I've got to so far. You're going to need to head over to, if you haven't done anything else before, be careful, do a lot of research, because it can break the card further, even though the card is already broken. But if you go to Tech Power Up, search for BIOSes, for GPUs, you enter all details across the top of that. I will drop links in the description. This is my one Rx470 OC. That's it. I have downloaded the driver. You're also going to need the flashing software to be able to flash it. So it's right by there, AMD or NVIDIA. You just download it. Then once you've downloaded and you open the file, you'll be greeted with I'll just find it now. Yep, there's the file. It's on the desktop. Open the file up. If you read the README file, very important. Explains everything what you've got to do. But for me it was, you want to run these in administrated, give them administrative rights as well. First thing you need to do is the driver installer, otherwise it won't work. Once you do that, it will bring up this. You then hit the I, if you read that, type I on your keyboard, it will install the driver. This will allow you to be able to flash, or to run the software. And once you've done that, you can open the execution file for Windows. Then you'll be met with this. I recommend saving the original BIOS, even though it could be, if it is broken or not, save it. Like with me, I've got on my desktop BIOS mod, and there, these are all the GPUs I've modded. So click on 470. I have saved it with that Code43, just so I've got a backup reference. And if you jump back over to Tech Power Up, download your driver, your BIOS, sorry, download your BIOS, and then save it. This is the latest BIOS that I found here, but I'm going to try and flash the older one, the one that I originally saved off the card, and see if that can cure it. Obviously I have BIOS modded it. That's the BIOS that's currently on it. So let's give it a whirl, see what happens. So you load the image, scroll down, let's find it, CAIOS. There we are, that's it. Open the file. And then you click program. Oh, it's not responding. Oh, yeah. Program successful. Right, we're going to need to reboot. So we're going to click no for a minute. And I think we need to uninstall the driver. So we press U. Press U on the keyboard. Oh, what happened there? Oh, it's done. There you go, let's try a restart. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I've just booted it back up. So let's go to Device Manager. Let's go on Device Manager, Display Adapters, Rx470. No more Code 43. Happy days. Because the only other option I was going to go otherwise was to take the card apart, disassemble it and do a reflow on the board. But as you can see, it has adjusted out of the TV, so I'm going to have to play it out in the settings to get that back. If you like this sort of stuff, I appreciate it if you give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Well, thanks for watching.